Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to set up stop loss and take profit in Binance spot trading. So first of all, hit trade at the bottom middle here. Okay. And hit spot at the top right instead of convert. Okay. And inside, you're going to be able right here to see buy or sell. So now you're going to be able to execute your order. Okay. Select the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy or the total in USDT. Okay, so let's say $5. All right. Now, if you want to set TP and SL, just hit the check mark here under total. In here, what you're gonna do, you're gonna set the TP and SL, right? If you're expecting the market to go up, then you're setting the take profit at the top, right? And vice versa. If you're selling Bitcoin, in our case, you're expecting that you're gonna take a profit a lower amount or lower price. Okay, so you can check here on the side panel the price, okay, and work with it accordingly. Okay, so the price keeps changing, so you better be fast when you're executing the order. Okay, so let's say 5, 3, right? And the SL limit should be 2. Okay, and then what you're gonna do, just buy or sell the Bitcoin. So consider liking this video, subscribing, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Until next time, see you.